What's up, guys? This is Sammy Geek back here with a quick video on the EV9, and this is the trailer hitch. In case anybody was wondering what this looks like installed, this is it. And essentially what they've done is they've installed the trailer hitch, actually the hitch itself, along with the wiring here, which is going to be the plug that goes in for your different various pins and so forth, or different trailer types. So this is what it looks like installed. A little bit different. This piece right here has been removed and replaced as part of the trailer package as well. So that's essentially what you're going to get. If you look underneath, you can kind of see a little bit better here. And that's about it. So I know there was quite a bit of discussion regarding the trailer hitch on this vehicle. Is it included? Is it not included? And just so you guys are aware, it is absolutely not included, which I found pretty shocking. I really think it should have been included, especially on the models that are the high-end models that are talking about 5,000 pound towing capacity. So you will have to pay for this as an aftermarket accessory, but overall it's really such a great truck that, you know what, a lot of people probably will buy this and maybe won't tow, so therefore they wouldn't need to install it on every single one. I guess that makes sense. But just be aware, if you do want to tow, it tows up to 5,000 pounds, and this will be an optional accessory that you'll want to get right through your dealership. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. This is the Kia EV9 Trailer Hitch. Talk to you guys soon.